good morning, my friends. 早晨啊，各位朋友 ，How are you this morning？ 你哋好嗎？So let's set what time in Hong Kong now? Okay. So the time in Hong Kong is now 1 o'clock early in the morning and 40 minutes. 1時40分，香港時間凌晨。So what are the days? The day today is fifth Wednesday, 5th March, Hong Kong Day. Okay, let's go on and have all the financial data first. It's an ugly picture for for the Wall Street. At the moment I record, it's down 750. So let's see what happened and then how they close. At the end of the session. 睇下佢哋喺 session 嘅 end 嘅時候係做成點啦，而家就唔係幾好啦。So and then we move on. Well, it's 2 days in a row， 2日啦，都已經係 down days。For the Hang Seng, we still maintain quite steady momentum， 相當平穩嘅狀態俾恒生。And then the Hong Kong index, right? For the European market, it's following the trend. So one day is nice, but the other day are ugly. And then there's one thing is quite certain. The European, after the closing of the European markets, well, there might be some changes. Maybe, the Wall Street want to keep the European market in company, 係咪啊？想大家都一齊進退。咁所以咧，歐洲市完咗之後咧，就可能有少少變動嘅。So that's only guessing game， 只係猜度遊戲啫。Okay, and then we move on to the Asian market. Well, as usual, down a little, up a little for Shanghai Composite, for Taiwan, 2 days down in a row, 2日都跌市。And for Hang Seng, it's up and down, seesawing. And for Japan Nikkei, it's plus 630 points, and then giving back about 450 points. Okay, so let's get an analysis of the 2 days of the European market. The Fuji is down 0.66, and the Germany is almost 1%, and the French is 1% and 3%. As I said, because it's full of uncertainty now, the UK more, and also the division inside the United States of America. It seems there are more and more division, cracks and gaps happening there. So let's see what happens. And then we move to the Asian update. As said, the Hang Seng, well, still manage 1% plus or minus, because really it's less than 1%. It's very small, still 1%. I'm sorry, I might have made a mistake. Still 1% plus or minus, not 1%, still 1%. So maybe I can correct it. All right. That is still 1%. Well, not 1%, still 1%, okay? Still 1% plus or minus, not 1%, I'm sorry. So it's 1% plus minus. And then for the specific test, it's better because of the extraordinary performance of Tencent. 即係 Tencent 咧有一個好 extraordinary 嘅表現啦，與眾不同所以咧就係帶起 even 阿里巴巴咧都係俾佢 uplifting。So to add together for 2 days, that is 0.71% plus, surprisingly. Okay, after all these financial data, we are going to decide And then we have some marking here. So I might explain the marking. The marking here is quite some last minute addition. So I'm afraid that it might make some confusion. So I make it very clear. We have the first is the financial debtor. The second is the side talk. The side talk, we got an extra side talk here. And then we have a third side talk because we have a breaking news here. So after this, we moving to the fourth side talk. Okay, forecast rule. All right, so let us go on with the T-square. The side talk, this one, financial debtor, finished. Now the side talk. Okay, so let me read it first. Internal, okay, let me get the pen back. Internal divisions causing cracks and gaps in United States between people of different views and beliefs have thrown them to the street from courts. 嗱，美國而家咧就有一個現象，呢個係應該可以講係一個民主嘅現象。So we are not going to be the judge of what they're doing. Anyway, this is a sign of 民主一個老民主國家嘅表現嚇，一個 Democrat 嘅大阿哥嘅表現，正係表現出啲人係有各種唔同嘅 views 同埋 belief。OK， 咁而家佢哋咧就係將呢啲民主嘅 framework 搬上出嚟啦。而家就由 court 唔能夠得到滿意嘅 settlement 或者嘅 judgment 或者個 arrangement， 佢哋咧就選擇上街。Okay, so from court to streets, as hundreds of deep seekers 數以百計，甚至乎係數以千計，當佢累集起上嚟嘅時候，呢啲係深層次嘅尋找者，佢哋嘅要求係屬於 deep， 佢哋嘅找尋，佢哋係 seeker， 佢哋係拉入沿路係唔係 cheer， 唔係歡呼，而係抗議。OK， 沿途抗議係喺邊度？喺美國嘅副總統 Vance 嘅沿途嘅府邸嘅沿途，佢個官府，佢私人府邸。OK， 係 protest， 係抗議。OK， 抗議邊個咧？抗議係 Musk， 係 Tesla 嘅老闆，亦都兩個地方同時做嘅。咁呢個 Tesla 嘅老闆嘅 showrooms 亦都係遭受廣大民眾嘅抗議。喺同一個角度裏邊，一個係官，一個係商。當官商都齊係受到非議嘅時候，呢個唔係一個信心嘅投票，而係一個沒有信心嘅投票。雖然你可以講 This is only half the American， 呢個最多係一半嘅美國人，但係 don't ignore 一半嘅美國人。Okay, subsequent to the meeting fallout between Donald Trump, President of the United States, and President of UK， 呢個係隨着喺 New York 不歡而散嘅聚會，就係 Zelensky 同埋 Donald Trump 嘅聚會，係一個 公開嘅場合你話係合適嘅場合或者唔合適嘅場合，而有一啲咁嘅表現，咁似乎係一啲唔係好 professional 嘅表現。咁 anyway 呢個係 Trump 嘅本身佢自己嘅策略或者佢自己嘅 characteristic， 我哋亦都唔能夠去將佢個人去加以任何嘅評論。OK， 咁我哋繼續落嚟就係 Side Talk 2。I had her trip to London. Ursula von der Leyen, President of the European Commission, while Europe's ongoing support of Ukraine。 嗱，就係在去倫敦參與倫敦高峰會之前 ，President of EU European Commission 嘅女主持係個 President。OK， 於是話佢誓言旦旦係話 Europe 嘅繼續支持 Ukraine 喺一個 just and lasting peace， 有一個公平公正長遠嘅和平，佢哋係繼續支持。話當 Prime Minister Keir Starmer 就話 We gather here today， 我哋今日聚首一堂 because 因為 this is of a once in a moment， 就係一剎那間嘅歐洲嘅 security， 歐洲嘅安全喺嚟緊嘅世代嘅安全都係定奪喺呢一剎那間。OK， 一個聯合嘅停火計劃會 be formulated， 會去 plan 好 and presented， 將會再重複去遞俾 Donald Trump。OK， 呢個就係 Keir Starmer 講嘅。繼續落嚟 ，as talk and conferences are ongoing， 既然因為談判開會都不斷係繼續緊，喺英國 UK announce， 英國就發表一個 consensus， 一個聯合嘅共識，歐洲同盟嘅共識，呢個係 coalition of the view， 就係意願嘅同盟。OK， 咁呢個就係表達意願嘅同盟，就係去俾 Ukraine 安全嘅保證因為 90% Ukraine 已經將會成為北約嘅一份子，而家係唔係時間去有任何嘅 10% 嘅懷疑，係咪 ？Having put half of the final mile， 嗱，而家已經唔止係一半嘅路程喺呢個 Rocky Road， 已經唔止係一半嘅路㗎啦，行咗。所以 Zelensky 開始有少少輕鬆，佢有1個鐘頭同 King Charles III 閒話家題，傾啲乜嘢咧？我哋大家都唔知，但係睇佢嘅神態都係相當 relax， 同埋跟隨住喺記者招待會喺記者傳媒嘅招待會 Zelensky 係 assure 採訪者同埋嗰啲係喺現場參與嘅嘢，就係話佢就講出佢 或者佢哋係會繼續同阿 Trump 合作嘅，而家都係。Who are men in movies？ 究竟邊啲人係喺戲劇當中，或者喺戲劇當中係有邊啲人呢？人生如戲，戲如人生，呢個係呢一個好好嘅寫照。但係 would it be matter？ 究竟係有影響冇咧？咁呢個我哋 well so let's see。好啦，咁 after 呢個 side talk 3，and then we are side talk 4。OK， 呢個就差唔多係最新嘅消息，就 under 個 coalition of the willing 喺呢個意願嘅同盟，一個新嘅 ceasefire 嘅 UK 嘅 version 嘅版本咧，就將會遞去俾 Donald Trump the president。OK， 即係話 there are always room for maneuver， 嗰度隻門係打開，好多空間都係會可以有回旋嘅餘地 for maneuver， 係咪？咁而家呢個 side talk 4， 好啦，咁 after 個 T square，after financial talk，after 呢個 side talk，so we continue with 呢個1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we finished 4 already now, and then we move on to the breaking news. The breaking news here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 我哋有5個，喺呢5個當中，我要首先係講呢一個，就係呢個開幕嚇。開幕 Wang Hongling, Chairman of the National Committee of the Chinese People Political Consultative Conference mentioned 開會啦。Chairman 支持，首先佢就講 two focuses 兩個重心 ，two in-depth 兩個深入 of investigation 係加以探討 and research 同埋加以鑽研。investigation 係講而家已經有嘅嘢 ，research 係講嚟緊尚未有要去 find out 要去 create 嘅，即係兩個深層次喺兩個嘅領域上面，而 enhance 去令到更加完美化、優美化呢個5年計劃嘅 proposal next coming 5 years plan 嘅 proposal。OK， 咁呢個 following 呢個opening ceremony 之後，咁我哋會 follow up with any news。OK， 在呢個之後，我哋會繼續係跟進。好啦，咁而家我哋 get back here。呢個 National People's Congress and the Chinese People Political Consultative Conference holding meetings 嗱，呢個就 refer 翻呢個 the 6-day meetings in which annual policy plans are reviewed for deliberation and approval。一個6個日嘅會期嘅 meeting 咧，喺呢個 meeting 裏邊年度嘅政策嘅計劃咧，係將會提出嚟，同埋加以申辯，大家加以去解釋、去理解，同埋去批核、去 approve 呢啲計劃。咁 first 首先咧就係將呢個整體係將佢分開。係分開 external 嘅 trade challenges from Donald Trump， 由 Donald Trump 而帶嚟嘅外在環境嘅 trade challenges， 同埋 Macron 嘅 domestic need 國內嘅需要去 drive technology creativity and asset innovation。asset innovation 係已經有，而係將佢 innovate 優良化 ，reform 將佢改革化嘅。而呢個 technology creativity 係一個創造性嘅 technology， 創造性嘅 AI。我哋都知道 AI era 所包括係一個好廣泛嘅天空。OK， 跟住落嚟咧就係話，and to merge both， 將佢首先分開理解，然之後將佢合而為一，就係 develop 一個 single comprehensive policy， 一個單元但係綜合性、全面性嘅政策 ，supplemented by side plan， 亦都有其他一啲 side plans 側邊 standby 嘅。而呢個 side plans 咧就係 steadying 個 property and stock market 穩定樓市、股市兩個大嘅市場。跟住 ，Chairman Xi Jinping's call to boost private sector by creating， 呢個係習主席嘅 philosophy， 係佢個 role mapping， 亦都係佢個 care about private sector。呢個 favorable business environment， 佢話需要一個好有利於商業運作嘅背景嘅 environment， 去 drive 個 growth， 去令到 private enterprises 嘅增長係能夠加以 drive 加以去更加快速一啲，更加美好一啲。OK， 咁呢個跟住落嚟嘅就係2025 years growth。嗱，2025年嘅增長係 based on 2024嘅 solid and all-time high data， 係有根據。呢個唔係話一個 unreachable dream， 而係一個實際 solidly built on facts, numbers and trust 最緊要嘅係咪？咁喺呢個之上，我哋跟進2025年 export number hit 27 months high， 出口數字係27個月來最高嘅，甚至乎最近嘅受到呢個點講啊？受到呢個 Donald Trump 嘅 duty 嘅 Fed 都全無動於衷。呢個 record economic size 對於呢個 and a 5% plus minus target GDP 嗱，就係話呢個27個月嘅高峰係對於有整個 economic 嘅數字，不過個數字咧我哋咧就冇寫喺呢度，而呢個數字亦都係一個好 rational， 亦都係一個好靚嘅trustful 嘅數字。咁而5% plus or minus 呢個 target 嘅 GDP 就 no longer a question， 唔會係一個疑問，只不過喺呢5% 可唔可以有啲 room maneuver 去 enhance 嗰個 supply and demand chain，enhance 或者 improve 或者 do whatever 去令到個 over capacity 係 對於世界其他嘅國家係更加有利。OK，overcapacity 係可以輸出去對一啲需要 capacity 嘅國家而造福佢哋嘅，呢個就係亦都係 Chairman 所講嘅 all in all 嘅 facility。佢唔係 one in all， 係 all in all， 係一個 wealth sharing 嘅大同世界。OK，alright， 跟住呢個就係 eggs are to place in different basket。任何嘅情況都係有 sunny days， 有 rainy days。咁 don't put all your eggs in one basket。呢個係大家都知㗎啦。所以去 encounter 美國嘅 unpredictable 嘅關稅嘅增加，而家 geographical 嘅 alignment 地區性嘅調節嘅重整，就係 shaping up for the coming years， 係喺嚟緊嘅歲月，係將會令到物有所用，物係去到地方需要呢啲物，即係呢啲 product， 呢啲 capacity 需要嘅地方，而達成一個大同世界。咁呢個係 always 係我哋 Chairman 習近平嘅 philosophy。OK， 咁after 呢個啦，我哋係 move on to 呢個 classroom，right？So 呢個 visual 講咗啦 ，all the side talk finish。Now we come to the classroom. The classroom here pretty simple， 好簡單嚇。呢個咧，我哋而家有個 comment 咧，就首先就係做一個 comment 嚇，就係 comment Team A 佢嘅 argument point。咁呢個咧個 comment on Team A 嘅 point of argument 咧就係 when risk increases。Return by percentage goes lower, so it affects。嗱，呢個就係話，當風險係增加，嗰個回報喺比例上percentage 上就係應該向下㗎啦，所以係受影響。This is a yes or no 喺呢邊嚟嘅，對呢個係 match 呢個嘅，呢個係一個 yes or no 中性嘅問題。呢個係兩可以講嘅係 yes， 可以講係 no， 可以講係 right， 係咪？呢個咧係 global fundraise basing currency value matching especially versus banker currency。嗱，呢個就係話世界嘅銀行貼現率係睇佢自己嘅 currency 嘅 value 去 matching 其他嘅 dealing partner， 尤其是個 banker currency 係咪？A state can set exchange rate， 一個國家可以定佢嘅匯率，但係佢唔能夠決定咗呢個匯率，即係話當呢個匯率係支撐唔到，佢就要改，所以佢係唔能夠 determine， 佢係可以追隨整個嘅大環境而變嘅。喺佢小環境裏邊去調節，但係要隨着大環境而變。咁最後呢個 inflation rate 咧係 varies on more on macro external impact。嗱 inflation rate 咧有兩個，一個就係外來嘅大環境，一個係 internal 自己 resource 嘅 allocation， 係咪啊？你自己國民點樣去支配分配 ？Okay, so next we will have a comment. The next one will be comment on Team B。咁類似咁嘅形式就係 subject 去 Team B 嘅。咁 after two comments, then we come to the time of grading， 係咪？Alright, so now we finish here。And then, the next uploading, and next we will see each other again, friends and students, 7th of March, 2025. So have What? Happy, no, what they said. Best midweek. Have a happy midweek. Okay, thank you, my friend and students.